In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation with Manus AI. We'll walk through a clear, simple workflow so you can go from idea to finished slides in just a few minutes. First, open Manus AI and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and logged into the correct workspace. Once you're in, you should land on a dashboard or home screen where you can start new tasks. Next, begin a new slides or presentation task. Look for the option labeled Slides or Presentation and create a new project. This is where you'll set the foundation for your deck, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right mode for building a multi-slide presentation rather than a single document or another content type. Now, enter a prompt that clearly describes the PowerPoint deck you want. The more precise you are, the better the output. State your goal, your audience, and the number of slides you're aiming for. Include the tone you want, professional, educational, or persuasive, and mention any must-cover points or sections, such as an introduction, problem, solution, benefits, timeline, or call to action. If you care about visuals, note preferences like minimal style, bold headings, or space for charts. Clear direction here saves time later. Let Manus AI generate the presentation draft. Give it a moment to process your instructions. You'll see slides populate with titles, bullet points, and suggested layouts. Avoid clicking away while it's working so it can complete the draft smoothly. Once the draft appears, review the slide structure, text, and design with a critical eye. Check that the slides follow a logical flow from start to finish. Make sure key messages are easy to scan, jargon is minimized, and each slide has a clear purpose. Look for consistency in headings, font sizes, and color usage, and verify that there's enough white space for readability. If something feels crowded or off topic, note it. Ask Manus AI to revise any slide that needs improvement. Be specific with your feedback. You can request shorter bullets, clearer definitions, stronger transitions, or a different visual emphasis. If a section is missing, ask for a new slide to fill the gap, and if something is redundant, request a merge or removal. Iterate until the deck reflects your intent. Finally, export or download the finished PowerPoint deck. Choose the standard PPTX format and save it to your preferred location. Open the file to confirm everything looks right and you're ready to present or share. That's it, your polished presentation created with Manus AI.